there, and welcome to 2023. I'm Nancy, and my New Year's resolution was to build my own sailboat.
One like this? Or this? Or these? Well, no.
Having no boat building experience whatsoever, I wanted to start small and simple. So I decided to buy a boat kit from Chesapeake Light Craft, a company in Annapolis, Maryland. They make what looks like close to 100 different kinds of make-your-own kits, from scale models to kayaks, canoes, sailboats, and even a camping trailer. I went with the smallest and what seemed like the easiest for a beginner for a full-size boat. It's called the Eastport Pram, but I decided to go with the modified nesting pram, as it's called, and you'll see why later. Just a couple of words about why I'm doing these videos. There are other videos out there on building boats, and even this one, the Eastport nesting pram, but all those that I found cut the process short. They don't show you each and every step. So if you aren't familiar with boat construction or woodworking in general, you have to take some guesses and figure out lots of details on your own. So I really want to show you all that it takes, even the small steps, so that if you decide to do something similar, you won't be left wondering. Don't worry, I won't film every single minute of the process. You'd likely fall asleep if so. But I'll point out things that I've done that other videos or the instructions from the company might have skipped or glossed over. Just one more thing. This is the first time I've ever done a video blog, so please bear with me as I learn, as hopefully these videos will get better as I go along. Thanks.